Secure Your Crypto, a comprehensive guide to cryptocurrency storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be showing you how to secure your crypto with a comprehensive guide to cryptocurrency storage. Are you a crypto investor, tech enthusiast, or just starting your journey into the world of digital currencies? Securing your crypto assets is paramount. Let's dive into a comprehensive guide to protect your investments from cyber threats and ensure peace of mind. The world of cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities, but it also presents unique security challenges. Understanding these risks is the first step in creating a robust defense for your digital assets. Cyber attacks are a constant threat. Exchanges and online wallets are prime targets for hackers looking to exploit vulnerabilities and steal funds. Robust security measures are not just recommended, they're essential. Phishing scams are another common tactic used by cybercriminals. Be extremely cautious of suspicious emails, websites, or social media messages that attempt to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Always double-check the legitimacy of any source before interacting with it. Malware, such as keyloggers, can secretly record your keystrokes, capturing your passwords and private keys without your knowledge. Regular antivirus scans and safe browsing habits are crucial. Losing your private keys or seed phrase is equivalent to losing access to your crypto assets forever. These are the keys to your digital vault, so treat them with the utmost care. Physical threats, such as the theft of hardware wallets or the loss or damage of paper wallets, are also potential risks. Consider secure storage locations and backup strategies to mitigate these threats. Selecting the appropriate wallet type is a fundamental decision in securing your cryptocurrency. The choice often boils down to convenience versus security. Hot wallets are online wallets connected to the internet, offering convenience for daily transactions. However, this constant connectivity makes them more vulnerable to hacking attempts. Examples include exchange wallets and web wallets like MetaMask or Phantom. Hot wallets are best suited for daily trading and small transactions only. Cold wallets, on the other hand, store your assets offline, providing a significantly higher level of security. Because they are not connected to the internet, they are immune to online hacking attempts. Hardware wallets and paper wallets fall into this category. Cold wallets are ideal for long-term storage of significant amounts of cryptocurrency. Now, let's explore specific security measures you can implement to safeguard your crypto assets. These practices are designed to minimize risk and provide a multi-layered defense. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, offering maximum security. They protect your keys even if your computer is compromised. Popular options include Ledger Nano SX Stacks, Trezor Model 1, Safe 3, Safe 5, KeepKey, and Decent Biometric Wallet. Store your hardware wallet in a secure location such as a bank vault or home safe to prevent physical theft. Cold storage using paper wallets involves generating a document containing your public and private keys. While immune to online hacking, paper wallets require careful handling to avoid loss or damage. Make multiple copies and store them in different secure locations. Multi-signature, multi-sig wallets require multiple private keys to authorize a transaction, adding an extra layer of security through redundancy. This is particularly useful for businesses or group-owned crypto assets, but can also be used by individuals seeking enhanced security. Strong passwords are a basic but essential security measure. Use complex, unique passwords for all your exchange accounts and online wallets. A password manager can help you generate and securely store these passwords. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second authentication method, such as a text message or app-generated code, in addition to your password. Enable 2FA wherever possible, especially for exchange accounts. Securing your network is also crucial. Use a secure internet connection and an up-to-date antivirus program. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for crypto transactions, as these networks are often unsecured. Keeping your software updated is vital for maintaining security. Regularly update your computer, smartphone, and cryptocurrency wallet software, as updates often include critical security patches. Backups are your safety net in case of computer failures, human mistakes, theft, or natural disasters. A reliable backup strategy can save you from losing your crypto assets. It's essential to back up each crypto wallet asset, including seed phrases, passphrases, and any supporting files. Write down your seed phrase, 12 or 24 words, and store it securely offline. consider using a metal card and an engraver to write the words on it for long-term durability. Store backups in multiple secure locations and encrypt online backups to protect them from unauthorized access. Use a strong password to protect your backup files. Test the recovery process on a different device to ensure your backup works correctly. This step is crucial to verify that you can actually restore your wallet from your backup. Diversify your storage by not keeping all your cryptocurrency in one place. Limit exposure by only storing the cryptocurrency you need for everyday transactions in hot wallets. Keep the majority of your funds in a safer, offline environment. Be cautious of online services designed to store your money online, as these services can be vulnerable to hacking. Regularly monitor your accounts for any unauthorized activity. Plan for inheritance to ensure your loved ones can access your cryptocurrency in case of unforeseen circumstances. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, so stay updated on the latest security threats and best practices. When using hardware wallets, initialize the device securely, creating a secure PIN and backup phrase. Update the firmware regularly to benefit from the latest security enhancements. For paper wallets, ensure safe creation and storage to prevent loss or damage. If using multi-sig wallets, understand the technical requirements for setup and use. By implementing these measures, you can create a robust and secure storage solution for your cryptocurrencies, minimizing the risk of theft or loss. Protecting your cryptocurrency is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and proactive measures. Don't wait until it's too late. Start implementing these security practices today to safeguard your investments and enjoy peace of mind. Subscribe to our channel for more crypto security tips, share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and leave a comment below with your top security tips. Your actions today can make a significant difference in securing your crypto future.